Hi guys, welcome back. Today, this is the question of discussion. Is YouTube really a passive income source? If you're curious or you want to know my thoughts on this topic, keep watching. Today, I'm going to be diving deep and exploring this question. If you're new here, hi, my name is Angel. I am an influencer and content creator, and I created this channel to share behind the scenes of being an influencer, and I share tons of tips to help you guys as well. If you love this subject and want to learn more, make sure to click that subscribe button. I'd love to have you part of the family. So the question we're discussing today is YouTube really a passive income source? We all know that YouTubers put videos out to make money on YouTube, right? But isn't constantly filming and editing active labor? Well, let's break this down into two things, okay? Let's look at passive income. The definition of passive income is the ability to generate revenue based off putting time and or money up front on something with minimum work thereafter. So you put the work up front and then you make money from it. So passive income can come in all sorts of styles and shapes and fashions, okay? So you basically put the work in and then you sit back and see the money flow in. You know that saying, making money in your sleep? Yeah, pretty much that's what passive income is. While you're sleeping, you're making money because you've already put that work in or time in up front versus active income. So let's look at active income. Income is when you actively have to put the work in to receive a income from it. So it's like a day job. You put in 8 hours of work, you receive a check for the 8 hours you put in. That's what active labor is. You're actively having to work to be able to get that income coming in. It's no sitting back. Okay, you gotta actively work. Okay, so let's look at YouTube. Can YouTube be passive income when you feel like you got to actively put work in? The answer in my book is yes. And I'm gonna give you two prime examples. Let's start with the obvious example. If you guys have been with this channel, I have not created a video in about 3 months. Yes, 0 uploads on this channel since October of 2021. It is now, filming this, hopefully we'll get this edited and uploaded fairly quickly, but it is now January in 2022. So I done no work on this channel, no active working, no active labor. Now the question is, did I make money in those 3 months? Yes, I did. And I'm gonna tell you how much I made. I don't mind telling you guys that for this channel. The primary concept to grasp is I did 0 amount of work and made money. That is what passive income is. All right, so I'm pulling it up for you guys because my last uploaded video was October. I'll give you guys that month. So October I made $213.67. In November I made $177.38. In December I made $178.64. And in January I made $175.39. So there you have it. As you can see, I did no work on this channel, but it's been making money every month, even without me consistently uploading or constantly uploading. And at the time of shooting this, I have about 5,200 subscribers. So it made money without me putting in work. So in answering that question, from my point of view, YouTube can definitely be passive. However, you do have to put up a lot of upfront work. Another example is with my lifestyle channel. When I was pregnant carrying my son Ace, there was a whole entire month I did not upload to my lifestyle channel. My lifestyle channel is Angel Grace 2 for those of you who don't know. And during that whole month, I still made money. If I am not mistaken, I think I had made about $600 that month. Even though I uploaded 0 videos, no active labor, on that channel for that month. And that was a couple years ago, you guys. Like he's like 2 now, so that may be about 2-3 years ago. But anyway, that's another prime example. But let me tell you the reason why I feel that YouTube is a passive income source, because you do have to put up work up front. Let me say that I don't want this by any means to come off as, oh, you know, YouTube is easy, you can make money overnight with it and make money while you sleep. Let me be very clear. You do have to have a monetized YouTube channel. So you have to put that work up front to get your channel monetized. And you know, YouTube, you have to have a couple thousand hours and all of that. I did a whole video on that, you guys. I can stick it up on screen if you guys want to know all the requirements. You got to put up a lot of upfront work first and foremost to get monetized on YouTube. And then once you're monetized though, your videos that you have taking the time to create, it's a big old file folder, and it's like you're gonna make residuals off that. So every time they play after your channel is monetized, you're gonna make money. So even let's say you work to get your channel monetized, and then you stop making videos, you will likely still make money. It may be cents, it may not be a lot, but you will likely still make money, because every video that plays thereafter will make money from your ads and will be income coming in, pretty much money while you're sleeping. So once you put the upfront work in a sense, every time you do one video, that can be a source of passive income, because you can look at it as, I'm gonna put this upfront labor in to create one video, and then this video can make me money for years to come. That's how I look at YouTube. You can look at it like residual income, kind of like dividends, almost kind of just coming in and rolling in. After you put in that investment up front, whether it's time, whether it's money, you put that investment up front, and then you see the residual come in. Now, let me share with you this caveat though, okay? It is a caveat. You wonder why YouTubers keep making videos and keep making more and more videos, right? Well, although YouTube can be passive, you can make it active depending on what your wants are. So if you want to make more money, more than likely you need to continue creating videos or make more videos. So I mean, when you think of it, like, okay, if you have a library of 200 videos versus just a library of 30 videos, your future income will be a lot more, right? Even though you might have 30 out there, you might want to keep creating so you can make more money, get more videos, get a bigger library out there. So your income keeps building and keeps growing on a monthly basis. Plus, if you ever decide to stop uploading, or let's say something, God forbid, happens and maybe you get hurt and you can't keep uploading, the more you have out there, the more you can continually to make in the future again. So that's why a lot of YouTubers continue to make videos and put more and more and more out there, because you're building your library, plus you're building a higher monthly income. And then too, if you ever do decide to stop or you can't upload anymore, you have so many, you have hundreds out there, that it is still at least bringing a monthly income. It may not be as high as you want since you're not actively putting more and more out every month, but you still will have your library of videos bringing in you an income every month. So it's really in your hands how much active labor you want to put in. However, once you get it up and going and put in that initial time and energy and effort up front, then yes, YouTube can become a passive income source. I am the prime example. There's your answer. So if you loved learning about the income structure of YouTube, you will definitely find the 2 videos on screen super helpful as well. So make sure to head over there and check those out. And I'll see you over there.